Hello, this is Project 4 called Network for CS50w, where we create a social network website like Twitter. Currently we're on the home page of the website. This page shows all the posts from all the users. But in order to have functionality like creating a post, liking a post or following a user, we need to log in. We can register for an account from here, but I'm just gonna log into one. You'll notice that on the right side we can now create a new post. Just type some text and press post. As you can see, our newly created post is at the top. Most recent posts are first in the page. If I click on the username, we'll be taken to the profile page of that user. Here we can see the username, when the user joined, how many people the user is following and how many followers the user have. Next we can see all the posts made by the user. If I go to some other user's page, you'll see that we can follow this user by clicking follow. The number of followers of the user changes asynchronously. Of course we can't follow ourselves, so we don't have this button on our profile. And up here we have following tab, which will show all the posts from only the users that we follow. If I unfollow this user, we'll see nothing on this page. You have the ability to edit posts made by you. Just edit your content and press save. You can cancel too. As you can see, the post is edited. Also, you can like or unlike a post by clicking the heart button. Last up, the website shows 10 posts per page. So let me make some more posts to show you. As you can see, only 10 posts are shown per page. The website is also responsive and looks good on all devices. Well, thank you for watching. Looking forward to the final project.